Meet amazing Julia Hawkins, the incredible 107-year-old athlete who has set records in track and field. She is such an inspiration to all of us, and I'm sure you're wondering how she keeps herself healthy and energetic at this age. We're going to take a deep dive into Julia's diet and find out what foods she eats to fuel her runs. Before we talk about Julia's diet, let's take a quick look at her life. Remember, age is just a number, and it's never too late to start taking care of yourself. Julia Hawkins is a retired teacher and a world-renowned athlete from Louisiana. She began running at the age of 100, and since then has set numerous records in the 100-meter and 200-meter races. She has been nicknamed Hurricane Hawkins, and rightly so, because she runs like a hurricane. Julia is an inspiration to people all over the world, showing us that age is just a number. Now let's get to the juicy stuff. What does Julia eat to keep herself healthy and continue to run at the age of 107? For starters, Julia believes in eating a plant-based diet. She loves fruits and vegetables and believes that they are the key to her energy and longevity. We found a thorough scientific reasoning that a plant-based diet indeed adds up to a decade to your life expectancy. According to a new research in 2022 by Professor Fans and his team in the University of Oregon, the optimal diet is one of legumes, whole grains, nuts, vegetables, and fruit, based on data from over 7,000 doctors and scientists around the globe, and similar research from institutions such as Cornell and Harvard universities. The risks of premature death are reduced simply by replacing animal products with plant-based alternatives. Julia's favorite fruit is bananas, and she eats them regularly. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and keeps the heart healthy. Potassium is a critical element in several bodily functions, such as the movement of muscles, regulating the water levels in the body, and preventing cramps. They are also rich in fiber, which keeps the digestive system healthy. No wonder we see athletes all go bananas over bananas. What's also great about bananas is that it helps to get a good night's sleep. Bananas are an excellent source of magnesium and potassium, which help relax overstressed muscles, because they also contain tryptophan, which converts to serotonin and melatonin, the brain's key calming hormones. They have a relaxing effect on the body in general. She also loves yogurt. Yogurts can be high in protein, calcium, vitamins, and live culture or probiotics, which can enhance the gut microbiota. These can offer protection for bones and teeth and help prevent digestive problems. Low-fat yogurt can be a useful source of protein. On a weight loss diet, probiotics may boost the immune system. In 2014, researchers found trusted source that consuming yogurt may help protect against type 2 diabetes. Remember, Julia loves eating natural yogurt without added sugar or her meals. Hurricane Hawkins enjoys balancing food with vegetable soups and salads. Julia loves to eat vegetables. Her favorites are broccoli, spinach, and kale. 1 cup of broccoli has as much vitamin C as an orange. Broccoli also has essential minerals such as calcium, among many others. Spinach is rich in many nutrients, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, folate, and potassium. People who take blood thinners, have irritable bowel syndrome, and kidney problems should limit the intake of spinach. Kale is a nutrition superstar due to the amounts of vitamins A, B6, C, folic fiber, carotenoids, and manganese it contains. People who may need to avoid or limit kale intake are those who form oxalate containing kidney stones, or take the blood thinners Coumadin or warfarin. These leafy greens are all rich in vitamins and minerals, making them great for the immune system. They are also low in calories and high in fiber, which makes them great for weight loss. It's not a surprise that Julia keeps a healthy, slim figure at the age of 107. When it comes to protein, Julia prefers to get it from plant sources such as beans and lentils. She avoids red meat. She believes that plant-based proteins are easier to digest and are better for the body. In study after study after study, researchers have found that one of the leading causes of heart disease is a meat-heavy diet. Animal products contain high amounts of cholesterol which builds up in the bloodstream and increases risk of heart attack and stroke. Instead of meat, Julia prefers to eat a lot of nuts and seeds, which are a great source of healthy fats. These healthy fats are much better alternatives to lower the probability of strokes, which cause 1 in 6 deaths from heart disease. You may want to take note that Julia's favorite nuts are almonds and walnuts, and she eats them every day as a snack. Julia also drinks a lot of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is important for overall health, and Julia knows this water helps your body to lubricate and cushion joints. Water helps to get rid of wastes through urination, perspiration, and bowel movements. Julia prefers to drink water over sugary drinks, and she has mentioned that she avoids caffeine as well. Julia is one health-savvy individual. She's all about fresh ingredients and avoiding processed foods like the plague. Those sneaky sugars, sodium, and fats have got nothing on her. When it comes to her meals, Julia's kitchen is like a magical haven of deliciousness. She's always cooking up a storm using only the freshest fruits and veggies to whip up her nutritious and delectable dishes. Yum, but don't let her healthy habits fool you. She knows that life is all about balance, which is why she'll occasionally indulge in her guilty pleasure fried crabs and oysters. Who can't resist the crispy crunch and mouth-watering flavor of these seafood delights? Not Julia, that's for sure. And the best part, crab and oysters are jam-packed with protein. As we age, our muscles require more protein to stay strong and healthy. That's why Julia loves these protein powerhouses. Crab is full of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and selenium, which all contribute to better health and lower risks of chronic conditions. Oysters, on the other hand, are chock full of vitamin D, copper, zinc, and manganese, all essential for keeping those bones strong and healthy. So go ahead and indulge in some fried crabs and oysters. Just remember to cook them until the shell pops open. So there you have it. Julia Hawkins' diet is simple but effective. She famously reflected she feels about 60 or 70, not over 100. She said that you are not going to be perfect at over 1,000, but nothing stops me. We hope that this video has inspired you to eat healthy and take care of your body. Remember, age is just a number, and it's never too late to start taking care of yourself. Please subscribe to the channel for more